Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable side key, volume key or keyboard for interaction control in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity and then click on interaction control. Now here turn on this interaction control shortcut button, and after turning on this button, go back to your home screen and open the app in which you want to use the interaction control. And after opening the app, press and hold the volume up key and power key at the same time. And now here click on interaction control. Now first of all, select the area to block in interaction control, and after selecting the area, click on options. Now from here you can enable or disable side button, volume button or keyboard. So to enable, turn on these buttons, and if you want to disable, then tap on these buttons again to turn them back off. So with these buttons you can enable or disable side key, volume key and keyboard for interaction control in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.